In this video, I want to show you how to get your heart rate on your Apple Watch SE3. Step number one is to press on the crown. You're going to get all your apps, and we need to find an app that looks like a heart. Okay, it's red and it's like this, you see? Tap on it. If it's the first time you're going to use this app, you're going to get this screen first, but then you won't see it the next time you're going to use it. So simply press next. And right now, you're going to see your current heart rate right over here, live. It will obviously update depending what you're doing. If you swipe from the bottom of the screen up, you're going to get more information. So you can see the range of today. So the lowest in my case was 65 and the highest was 82. And you can scroll like this and see other statistics about your heart rate. Now, you can have your heart rate on the clock face or on a widget. So when you swipe up like this, these are your widgets. And if you want a heart rate widget, click on Edit, click on the plus icon, go down, heart rate, click on heart rate. And here you're going to have two options depending how do you want. Okay, let's say this one, tap on it, it will be there. Press the check mark. And now every time, let's say you're on your watch face, you want to check your heart rate, simply swipe up. And here you go. You're going to see your heart rate widget. Obviously, you can put it first, so it's easier. And yeah, you also see the history of your heart rate. To add the heart rate on the main clock face, keep press on your clock face. Go and add a new one by pressing the plus icon. Now you have multiple ones. Not all clock face obviously will be able to display your heart rate, but if I go over here in health and fitness, you're going to have a few watch faces that will be able to do it. Example, this one, if I click add, the heart rate will be displayed right over here. Obviously you can customize this the same way you can customize other watch face. Press on the crown. Okay, press the crown again, and this is my new watch face where I get the time, and down below I can also get my heart rate. All the time it will be displayed there. Obviously, there's other watch face that looks maybe better than this one. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.